Hi, it's the Rawesome Vegan Gal here, and I'm holding up this beautiful book called Farming, Food, and Fine Art by Karla S. Chambers, and I will be talking about it. And also I have here her recipe and coloring book, as well as this beautiful tile, which is her artwork on a ceramic tile. So I want to thank Karla. She is such a wonderful woman for giving me these things to share you information and review with you. So Karla is a very special woman. She's a wife, a mother, a farmer, a philanthropist, a business leader, and a professional artist. And in this book, she has wonderful pictures of the farm that they've been running since is it 85, I believe? I could be wrong. I have to check the book again. I think it was 1985. I think, let's see, they started it in, let's see if I can find it here really quickly. I can't, but I think if I'm wrong, I will put down underneath the correct year. But she started her art in 2005 when her children were getting older, I guess, and leaving the home, and she needed something to do. And her art is basically her own creation, meaning she's never been taught. No one ever shared with her how to do it or what to do. She just bought the stuff that she needed and started painting. And that's why I call her work very organic, so to speak, meaning it's full of life, vibrant colors, and I'll show you inside the book as well. So they have a farm too, and they sell their wonderful products under the name Stahlbush Island Farms in Oregon. And here is also some of her different types of tile art that she does from her artwork, and she puts them on tiles, and those are all for sale. And I will also have a link below to their website so you can see everything about them. There's so much information in this book. I'm probably not going to get to share everything because it talks all about how they farm sustainably and all that they do and how they care for the land and the people that are involved. I do want to show you some of her amazing pictures. This is one called Park Flowers. This is right on the inside of the book. I mean, it's just spectacular. Look how gorgeous that is, the colors. I call it live, or art that has life to it, a life force to it. It's just so vibrant and so beautiful. And along with her husband and her kids are all involved in the farming, and or were all involved. I don't know if the kids are involved as much anymore. Here's another beautiful one. And she has them now on her packages of the products. So all their products are frozen. They also have other types of products, fruits, vegetables, etc. And this has also wonderful recipes. I haven't tried any of the recipes, but they all look really nice. Of course, using the products that they sell. And I want to try to find some other beautiful picture. Oh, here's a gorgeous one called Autumn Harvest. And I'm not sure if that's the one that the tile that I have is. It might be. Look how gorgeous that is, the colors on this side. I have to see if I wrote down what the tile is. I think I did, but I don't remember. Here's another beautiful one. These are colors of nutrition. She's very, her thing is all about eating healthy food, and she has her coloring book, which I'll talk about next. And she gives those out free at children's hospitals and food banks. So look at the gorgeous colors on those paintings on the top. I mean, just absolutely magnificent. So she sells her artwork in art galleries and to private people, and just really nice. Here she talks about the color of health and the color of nutrition. I mean, just gorgeous. You know, it makes you want to eat healthy when you see the vibrancy of just her work that she does, and you know that she really is in touch with that and with sustainability, and they use cover crops and crop rotation. And they have different kinds of irrigation techniques, nutrition management, and have even innovative agriculture where they use GPS technology. Here's another gorgeous one as well. I mean, just amazing that she's done so much to contribute to society, for her family's own health, for her own health, and long-term sustainability of the planet. So I think that's the key thing. So this is her recipe and coloring book. There we go. And so she has pictures of everything, and then you just color them in, basically. It's a great idea for kids to get excited about nutrition. That's what you want to do. And she also has recipes in here as well. you know, using different foods, some from their farms And they talk about here why it's important to be certified sustainable, because different things, and everything they grow gluten-free, non-GMO as well as far as their farm goes. And why does color matter? She says your colors, nutrients, and flavors are captured on vine ripened fruit, and it's a great way to incorporate when you add natural colors from the food. You're getting all this additional, you're getting nutrition. So that's important too, that you get the proper nutrition. And then the other thing I had, like I mentioned, is gorgeous tile, and I think this is the one, I'm not sure if it's on this paper, the tile. So the tile is very unique too. She also has some other card art that she does. I don't think that one's on here, and I think that one's called Autumn Harvest. So she has all different types of tiles as well for sale. And it's amazing how and this is the tile, it's gorgeous. I love the colors. I like blues a lot. As you can see, I'm wearing blue. And the tile can be used, you could just hang it up, have it on display, on a table with a stand. Or I think it can also be used as like a trivet as well, like you can put a pot on top of it. So it's really nice. I mean, it's a nice keepsake. It's, I like ceramic too. It's beautiful. It's Karla's art, which is her own unique way of doing things. And I think it's very special. And like I said, you have all different types of products as well. This is I have their product catalog. So you can definitely go on their website and check out all of what they do and how they do everything sustainably and use biodiversity, water conservation. The products are all sustainable. Some are certified organic, non-GMO, grown in the U.S., made with green energy, kosher as well. So, everything they try to do as much as they can to promote the health of the environment and the health of our planet. And I think that's so key. And this is just all their different types of fruits. And the pictures, you could see the pictures. I'll go close if you could see that. Those are all her art that is now being used on the packaging. From the fruits to the vegetables and etc. They do also now beans and legumes and grains and also some pureed items in cans, and even they have pet products. So they've come a long way in all the years they've been doing their they're running their farm, and so Karla's been doing her art since 2005, so it's over 10, almost 15 years. So I think it's very special, and I think she's really done a lot to promote that. I mean, being a farmer too, starting with that, and then also bringing that out in her art, which was something that just came about, like I call it organically. Now here's another gorgeous one. Sorry, I keep finding, this is the strawberries. I mean, strawberries, it's called The Art of Perfect Strawberries. Look at the colors, they are beautiful. So it's amazing, and I actually know her from the expo, the Anaheim Expo West, and she always comes there and does a painting, at the time when she's there. So I think this is just amazing. But she says actually her family's been farming in Oregon since 1886, so that's a really long time. And again, I don't know, I don't see the year on here, but I think it was 85. You correct me, don't correct me if I'm wrong. I may be wrong, but I think that's what it was. So yeah, I think it's a great book that shares, Karla's love for the farming, having healthy food, and also her art, which is just, you want to keep. I know for me, I want to just keep looking at it. It's so beautiful, and so it makes you feel more alive, And she's done this and incorporated it into her life with her family, and and now she's out in the community with her artwork, and there's a lot of support and encouragement, and just very, and to see it being done in person is a treat. So I'm really thankful that I've gotten to actually see her do her art, live in person. I think that's very special. And I think there was a picture on here, and it's even on their truck, their art. I don't know if there was a picture on here or maybe in the other one showing her as she is doing her paintings. Let me see if I find something like that. I thought there was something here. If I don't find it, then it's okay. Let me see. I just want to see if I find it. Here's another gorgeous one, actually, just to show you. over there. So just beautiful colors. You know, I wish I had a name for her art. I told her, wish I had a name, but it's just her unique art. You know, her style that just came, you know, like nature. She follows nature, so that's her art. So yeah, so that's what I wanted to share with you today about the book from Karla S. Chambers, Farming, Food, and Fine Art, and it's also, I think, available on Amazon. And then her tile, her ceramic tiles, if anyone's interested in getting those as well. And to check that out, I think I might have a link for that. It might be on their website too, that you can get those, and they might have other types of gift products that you can buy with her art on it as well and check out. And also don't forget to go check out in your store for their products. And they're made in these interesting packaging, not the normal. I think they're like biodegradable packaging or something like that. They're like a brown color, they're not like a regular plastic packaging like you see most of the frozen fruits and vegetables in. So check them out. I've had actually some of their frozen berries and other vegetables, and they're excellent. They're high quality, very nutritious. So, and I thank you for watching. It's the Rawesome Vegan Gal.